Konbanwa, James desu. This is Japanese for Morons, Sex Ed. Japanese for Morons, episode 25. Sex Ed, lesson 3. And we're going to call this one Scratch and Sniff. Today is just going to be hopefully a short list of words that I can get out of the way because I don't know if I'll be able to make a video in the next few days. So, let's just jump right into it. Body parts. Yesterday I mentioned, or in the last lesson, the previous lesson, I mentioned chinge, for example, which refers to male pubic hair. And I gave a brief description of what that means, or where that comes from. Chin-chin or chinko or chimpo are all words for penis. And for, well, basically cunt, there, I said it, manko. Manko is one of the few words that'll actually be bleeped out on Japanese TV. I mean, you can hear kuso, which means shit, on Japanese TV sometimes. But manko is one word that always gets bleeped out, and often when it's printed it has the middle sort of blanked out with a circle. So probably the best translation of it, the most accurate translation of manko is cunt. Vagina, by the way, is chitsu, but that's sort of a medical term that no one uses in sort of a sexual context. Oppai, of course, is breasts, boobs. Oppai comes closest to breasts or boobs in terms of meaning, in terms of weight, in terms of, well, I say weight, but in terms of the kind of meaning, because oppai can be, well, the word oppai is not always obscene. There's a children's song out there called Oppai ga ippai, and it's a children's song all about basically their mother feeding their younger siblings. What else is there? Chikubi. Chikubi, nipples. Very important to remember if you're talking about oppai. What else do we have here? Kuritoris. In katakana, just like that. Easy enough to remember, hopefully. Also, something very important to remember. Let's see. I already went by karashi and kanojo a couple lessons ago. I went through karashi, which means boyfriend. I went through kanojo, which means girlfriend. And another important thing, important words to remember are shoujo and dote. Those are the two words for virgins. Shoujo is a female virgin, and dote is a male virgin. So it's important to remember both of those because they're two different words. Cherry boy also gets across pretty good. But those are the actual Japanese words. Shoujo and dote. And I was talking about body parts a second ago. Oppai, chikubi, chin-chin, manko, kuritoris. Shoujomaku is the word for hymen. So that's something to keep in mind there. So that is today's... Oh, right. Yeah, here's another short little list of words. Yeah, I have a little short list of words for, well, basically how to describe breasts, large and large penises, and I think I'll save that for the next lesson. Haha. Later.